The iPhone 15 Pro Max, the ultimate premium flagship. The iPhone 15 Pro Max proudly carries on Apple's tradition of delivering excellence, offering not just a phone but an experience that feels magical in every sense. With the lightning-fast A17 Bionic chip, this powerhouse delivers jaw-dropping speed, immersive graphics, and impressive battery longevity. For those passionate about photography, the upgraded 48-megapixels primary sensor paired with a stunning periscope zoom lens will let you capture moments with vivid detail and clarity that will leave you in awe. Key highlights: a mesmerizing 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion that makes every interaction feel fluid and vibrant. Built with lightweight yet resilient titanium, ensuring a premium feel without compromise. A revolutionary 48MP camera that offers a 6x optical zoom, giving you the ability to zoom into the world like never before. USB-C charging for lightning-fast data transfer. Finally, adding to the convenience of modern tech, powered by iOS 17, introducing enhanced privacy and groundbreaking productivity tools that make every day easier. Who should buy it? Photography and videography enthusiasts who live to capture memories with breathtaking precision. Anyone seeking the ultimate luxury smartphone experience, wrapped in cutting-edge innovation and beautiful design. It's more than just a phone, it's a masterpiece waiting to be in your hands.